The purpose of the Autopilot and Flight Director System, APFD, is to allow the aircraft to be flown safely and efficiently along a specified flight path. The system issues orders which must be carried out if the aircraft is to acquire and maintain a selected flight path. When an autopilot is engaged, it automatically carries out the orders given by the autoflight system. But in manual flight, the flight crew must follow the orders given by the flight director command bars. The Flight Control Unit, FCU, is one of the primary flight crew interfaces with the APFD system. You use the FCU mode selector switches to select the various APFD modes. Using these modes in different configurations allows the aircraft to be flown in different aspects of automatic and manual flight. We'll look at each mode in turn in later lessons. APFD mode annunciation is displayed on the Flight Mode Annunciator, FMA. The FMA is located on the upper part of the primary flight display, PFD. The FMA is essential to you. It is the only point on the aircraft where you can instantly confirm the status of the autothrottle system, the APFD vertical and lateral modes, and APFD engagement status. In general terms, the FCU provides a short-term or tactical flight guidance interface. The Flight Management System Control and Display Units, CDUs, are the long-term or strategic interface. Although the APFD system is a single system within the automatic flight system, the autopilot and flight director functions are quite separate. The FD function is to provide the pilot with commands to be able to fly the aircraft manually along a defined flight path. These commands are presented by the Flight Director command bars on the primary flight display, PFD. The AP function provides a facility whereby the Flight Director's orders are automatically followed by an automatic pilot. So, where does the information for these commands come from? Computations for autopilot and flight director functions are made by the flight control computers, FCCs. The FCCs take their information from various sources, both from inside the system, internal, and from outside the system, external. The internal sources are the FCU, the go levers and autopilot quick disconnect push buttons, the flight management computers, FMCs, the flight augmentation computers, and the thrust control computer. The external sources for the FCCs are VOR and ILS, the altimeters, the air data computers, and the inertial reference system. Having made the computations, the FCCs send command signals to the FD command bars for the flight director function and to the flight control servo actuators for the autopilot function. This completes the overview of the APFD system. The next lessons cover the flight directors and autopilot in more detail.